Thank you for joining me. We are at standardlegal.com and we're taking a look at legal form software. Standard Legal provides do-it-yourself legal form software, legal document preparation service. We'll even help you find an attorney if you do need one. This is the login after you make your software purchase where you can access your legal form software. Today we're going to take a look at legal form software. Standard Legal provides a series of different topics. We have estate planning titles such as Estate Plan Essentials, which combines our last will and testament, living will, and power of attorney, or you can purchase them individually here. Revocable Living Trust, Gun Trust, Pet Care Trust. Under financial and marital titles, we have a bankruptcy that is a Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Promissory notes, premarital agreement, separation agreement, cohabitation agreement. Under real estate titles, we offer our for sale by owner home sale package, quick claim deeds package, land contract, lease agreement package, transfer on death deeds. Under business and incorporation titles, we offer our incorporation, limited liability, partnership agreement, employee manuals, non-disclosure, non-compete, entity power of attorney, amendment to incorporation, amendment to LLC. Here we have our complete software library, lifetime access to all legal forms that Standard Legal publishes. If you would like that title, you're more than welcome to click on it to find out the details. Thank you for joining me. And since you have, if you do decide to make a purchase of any legal form software today, we have a coupon code for you. Type in the letters YOU at checkout and you'll receive 5% off your purchase. Thank you for joining us. Have a good day.